Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
It was a blessed day at the house of the AHLULBAYT, as Hazrat Abbas had been born at this beautiful day. It was 4th of Shaban 26 AH and Imam Ali was finally meeting his beautiful son.
Congratulations, O my master.
Congratulations to you too. O Ahlulbayt. This boy will be the best warrior.
What name should be given to this beautiful child?
We should name this child Abbas. It means the lion, and he would be as brave as a lion, and every human being would fear him when fighting in battle.
Imam Ali takes Hazrat Abbas in his arms and begins to weep. Ahlulbayt is watching all of this and questions our Imam.
Oh, Amir al-Momineen, why are you crying? Isn't this supposed to be a happy day?
After some time, Imam Ali answers,
O Ahlulbayt. I was remembering the day of Ashura.
Oh, Abul Hassan, what would be the role of Abbas in Karbala?
He would go to the river of Furat to fetch some water for the caravan.
told Imam Ali while tears went down from his eyes.
The enemy would cut down both of his arms and Abbas would be martyred.
Ahlulbayt went to take Hazrat Abbas in her arms and started to kiss Hazrat Abbas' hands.